Sobrang nakaka-proud yung team kasi pinaghirapan talaga at sobrang happy dahil yun talaga yung goal. Pero ang good thing kasi kanina, mas nag-focus kami din doon sa process na paano kami gagalaw ng tama. So, ayun, especially dito sa dalawang nasa. Yan ha, dahan ko na para... ayun, thank you.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game, Erica with 19 points. Ayun, sa game na daw yung split player ng Sus Poly. Siguro as a player, gano'n ka lang nagka-proud sa game na lang ng team against unbeaten?
Siyempre, thankful ako kasi yun nga yung trust na binibigay sa akin ng mga teammates ko buo. So, yun, nag-stick lang kami sa game namin. Thankful ako na nag-work naman.
Thank you. And for Vanny, 7 points in this game, but you scored the crucial points later in the third set. I guess what was just going through your mind that entire time, especially Zeus was really catching up to you guys?
I just wanted to help the team, especially because earlier in the conference, I wasn't able to play. So now's my time to help the team.
Thank you. For something
Coach, alam naman po natin starting sa gitna, medyo dikit-dikit po tayo. After natalo na po yung PLDT in your first stunning victory, kaya na po siguro kalaki ng momentum boost ko ito na undefeated din ng 3 sets pa.
Sobrang laking help sa amin to dahil kailangan talaga namin ng panalo para makapasok kami sa quarterfinals. Siguro mas ang mindset namin ngayon, mas mag-focus kami sa team namin dahil lahat for sure yun lang din yung gagawin nila dahil mas win din yung mga same ng standing namin. So, yun lang.
Late in the set, Zeus is counting to extend the match. They scored 3 crucial points to allow you to win. In those moments, how do you keep your composure and make sure that this time they won't come close?
I trained for it. We trained for it. The pressure in practices is always there. So I guess this is what we prepared for, and thankfully it showed.
Erica, nung actually nung on-tour, parang yung 30 points mo against Zeus Coffee tapos now na 90. Kumbaga, meron din ka bang nakita ulit ng Zeus na kumbaga maganda yung mga score counters?
Honestly, hindi naman ako tumitingin sa team. Siguro kung ano yung nilalaro ng kasama ko and kung paano kami nag-gel. Siguro yun yung focus. Pero other than that, thankful ako kasi every time na may game against sa Bulls, maganda naman yung nagiging resulta.
Coach, itong match na to, si Ana lang din kumbaga sa Zeus yung double digits na sa scoring. Medyo naging focus din ba na i-limit yung locals ng Zeus instead of parang hayaan nila sa
Actually, lahat kung kaya namin stop yun talaga yung goal. But sobrang, grabe din talaga yung import nila. So, pero grabe din yung effort namin para ma-stop siya. But nakakuha pa rin siya ng 26 points. But good thing yun, na-stop namin yung mga locals. Kasi ang laking help sa kanila yun. Kaya doon, naging plus factor para sa amin.
Coach, I know si Erica and Vanny did most of the heaven, pero yung report niya si Catherine Kate, ano na ba, parang siya pa rin hinahanap yung missing link sa signal na...
I think siya, dahil ang laking tulong niya sa amin. And Katie medyo, nag-adjust pa talaga. To be honest, ang dami pa niyang kailangan maging adjustment para sa team. But ang good thing is yung paano rin siya makisama sa amin. And ganoon din yung mga players. Paano din siya i-accommodate din sa team and paano siya tulungan. Ang kailangan pa rin namin pagandahin pa rin yung relationship namin with her. And hopefully, mas mag-step up pa. Alam namin na kaya pa niya gumalaw ng finals.
Coach, if you can measure, quantify mo yun, kumbaga from 1 to 10, ilan na si Catherine?
Skills-wise, siguro nasa 8 or 9. But yung sa performance na talagang nahanap namin, siguro nasa pa kami, 6. mga ganun din. 6 or 7, going to 7. Hopefully, maging 10 talaga sa 11 pa. Dahil yung susunod na mga games, mas win talaga siya. So, kailangan mag-all out siya. So, mindset lang din and kailangan magkaroon din ng magandang communication with him.
Yung pagsaman ng Eric and Ronnie about their report na slowly but surely parang ipipit na kayo.
Siguro yung closeness namin outside the court ay nakakatulong kasi hindi naman nagkakala yung age namin. So, light lang siya kasama and nakakatulong siya sa court.
Same na age.
Si Age siya.
I have high respects for Katie because her adjustment time was not long. And it's very hard as an outside hitter. I have a hard time adjusting to a new system. And she was able to do it better than I probably could, like faster and better. So I'm really grateful for Katie and
Thank you, Coach.
Bakit kasi parang when you left ng alas Pilipinas, Erica wasn't there yet. Pero now that Erica has arrived, what's your thoughts on her joining forces with you?
Of course, I'm very grateful that Erica.
Talaga ba?
I'm very grateful that Erica joined Signal because you can see that from all the games, last conference, all the past games, whenever we need someone, we can really rely on her, and it's such a big help to the team. And of course, the success of the team, last conference and this conference is with the help of Erica.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yung last
Ay.
game na sa preliminaries will be against Big Man and must have siya to qualify for quarterfinals. So, paano ba yung magiging mindset mo dito sa Big Man?
Same lang siguro, recover muna yung buong game and then sa ilang days namin na preparation, aralin namin mabuti. For now, enjoy muna namin yung panalo namin and nakapagpahinga naman.